You haven't done one of these problems in a little while, so I thought I'd work it for you so that you can refresh your memories. It says a couple has saved $20,000. They want to invest the $20,000 in two locations. One is treasury bonds, the other one is in CDs. So I'm going to use X to represent treasury bonds. I'm going to use Y for the CDs. The couple can get a one-year CD, and here it says they get this return on the CD investment. They get a two-year treasury bond, and they get this return on their investment. Now, don't be confused by the 2-year versus the 1 year, because we're just interested in the percentages, because that's what's going to help us to know how much to invest in each category. The couple wants to earn, they for sure want to earn $1,000 a year, okay? So how much should they invest in treasury bonds? We don't even care how much they invest in CDs, but we're going to end up solving for both X and Y anyway, so the only question we have to answer, though, is the X value. So the first thing I want you to recognize is that X and Y represents the total amount of money that's going to be invested. So X plus Y equals 20,000. Total amount of money that they're going to invest. Notice that because we have two variables to solve for, we're going to need two equations. All right. The next equation I like to think of as the value equation. All right. We know we want to end up with $1,000. Okay. So if we want to end up with $1,000, each of these variables is going to have a percent associated with it. Looks like the treasury bond, which is our X value, is going to have a 0.0418. So we have 0.0418X plus, and then we have, for the Y value, we have 0.0542Y. Okay? Now, setting up the equation is actually probably the hardest part. The rest should be fairly easy. You could use substitution. That's probably what I would do. I would rearrange this to say 20,000 equals, actually 20,000 minus X equals Y. That's probably what I would do, and then plug this value maybe over here into here, and then go from there. However you want to do that is fine with me, but if you can finish it out, you can answer the questions appropriately. All right?